Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying "your device isn't compatible with this version of Android" error. If you've ever tried to install an app and got stuck with this message, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, go to the app that's giving you trouble and open its app info. From here, head over to storage and cache and make sure to clear the cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Next, go back and tap force stop, then confirm. After that, return to storage and cache and select clear storage. This step clears all app data, including files, settings, and databases, giving the app a fresh start. Now, search for the app again, whether it's PUBG or any other app showing the device not compatible message, and try installing it. Most of the time, this process solves the problem completely. And that's it. Just a few easy steps and your device should now be able to install apps that were giving you compatibility errors. If this helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.